Morning children, so far you have studied adjacent angles, complementary angles and supplementary angles. Today we are going to study about linear pair. So let me know, what do you remember about adjacent angles? If there are two angles with a common arm, that two angles are called as adjacent angles. In the figure, ABC and ABD, DBC are the three angles. But for angle ABD and angle BDC, there is a common arm BD. So these two angles are called as adjacent angles. Now complementary, these are called adjacent angles. Now complementary angles. If the sum of the measures of the angles is 90 degree, then those two angles are called as complementary angles. Can be adjacent, may not be adjacent. This is a straight line. Now to get 90 degree, we have to get 90 degree here. Let us draw. This angle is 90 degree. If we divide it into two angles, let us give the name PQR, and here the ray QS is common ray. So we will rub it off. Now see, angle PQS and angle SQR are having a common ray QS. So these two angles are called adjacent angles. Here there is a speciality. The sum of the measures of these two angles is 90 degree. So they are called complementary angles. Also, if the sum of the measures of any two angles, let me draw one angle. Let me check the measure of this angle. This is 50 degree. So, if PQR is 50 degree and one more angle I will draw. If the measure of the second angle is 40 degree, let us give the name DEF. There are two angles, angle PQR and angle DEF. They are not adjacent angles because they do not have a common ray or common arm. But the sum of the measures of those two measures of the angles, that is 50 degree plus 40 degree is equal to 90 degree. So they are also called as complementary angles. The same way, supplementary angles also you can draw. If the sum of the measures of any two angles is 180 degree, they are called supplementary angles. The measures of these two angles, let us give the name PQRS. This angle plus this angle is equal to 180. So they are supplementary angles. In the previous class already you had studied supplementary angles. Here both the angles are adjacent. It is not compulsory that the measures of the angles should be 180 and they should be adjacent. They can be different also. Let me draw one angle. Let me measure the angle of this. This is 110 degree. 110 degree. If I draw one more angle of measure 70 degree, this is 70 degree. Here you are getting, this is 70 degree, 110 plus 70 becomes 180. So, the sum of the measures of these two angles is also 180. So, these pair of angles are also supplementary angles. This is what you have done in the previous classes. Now, today we will study little different, that is called linear pair of angles. Linear pair of angles. Pair means you know that there should be two angles. What are the conditions required for the pair of angles to be linear pair? Let us draw one line here. Give the name P, Q. Let me draw one more ray. Give the name R, S. So in the figure you are getting actually two angles. One is PRS and the other one is QRS. But the speciality of the two angles is that ray RS is common for both. So what type of angles are they called? They are called as adjacent angles. Now, this is a straight line. PQ we have drawn as the straight line. So, the sum of the measures of these two angles will be how many degree? It will be 180 degree. Let us see what is the measure of this. The measure of angle PRS is how many degree? 120 degree. And the measure of angle this is 60 degree. So the measure of angle PRS is 120 degree. Measure of angle SRQ is 60 degree. Now 120 plus 60 is equal to 180 degree. So far we have studied, these are called supplementary angles. Now here they are supplementary as well as there is a common ray RS. Then these two angles are called linear pair of angles. I will repeat, if there are two angles with a common ray and the non-common rays are forming a straight line, then those two angles are called linear pair of angles. And linear pair of angles will always be supplementary because the sum of the measures of them will be 180 degree. But supplementary angles may not be linear pair. Can be linear pair, may not be. See, these are supplementary angles also and linear pair also. But there can be two different angles with total 180 degree, let us say 110 degree and 70 degree. They are supplementary but they are not linear pair. Here they are linear as well as supplementary. Remember that linear pair of angles are always supplementary angles, but supplementary angles may not be linear pair always. So, the first property is that sum of the measures of angles in a linear pair is 180 degree. The most important property is sum of the measures of angles in a linear pair is 180 degree. Let us solve practice set 19 with the knowledge what you have got now. The first question is, you are asked to draw a figure with the given condition if possible. If not, let us say what is the reason. So your first question is, complementary angles that are not adjacent. So complementary angles means sum of the measures of those two angles should be 90 degree. But here it is given they should not be adjacent also. So let us draw two angles. Let me draw one angle this. You can also do. So first measure of the first angle is 40 degree. The measurement is 40 degree. So what should be the measure of the second angle? For drawing complementary angles, the second angle should be how many? 50 degree, because 40 plus 50 is equal to 90 degree. The sum of the measures of two angles should be 90 degree. Then only we can call them as complementary angles. So the measure of this angle is 50 degree. Now here you see both the measures total is 90 degree. So they are called complementary angles. But they should not be adjacent. Are they adjacent? They do not have a common arm or common ray. So they are not adjacent. So the first one's figure is drawn. So we can draw the correct figure. Now let us come to the second question. Angles in a linear pair which are not supplementary. Is it possible to draw? If you draw linear pair, we know linear pair means there should be one common ray. But see the condition, which are not supplementary. If you draw here, we get a common ray. So they become adjacent angles. And they become supplementary here because the sum of these two angles will be 180 degree. So they are not supplementary condition cannot be drawn. So this figure we are unable to draw because the linear pair will be always supplementary angles. The linear pair of angles will always be supplementary angles. So if the question is not supplementary, we cannot draw that figure. So here you can write, we cannot draw the figure because linear pair of angles are always supplementary. So the reason also told. Okay, question number 3 is complementary angles that do not form a linear pair. Everybody knows complementary angles total will be 90 degree only, and linear pair means their total should be 180 degree. So 90 degree will never become 180 degree. So complementary angles cannot be linear pair. So we cannot draw the two. We cannot draw if the question is if they are linear pair. But here the question is that do not form a linear pair. So no problem in drawing that do not form a linear pair means you are asked to draw any two complementary angles. Let us draw one angle. Let us see what is the measure of this. The measure of this is 62 degree. So 62 degree means how many will be remaining? 28 will be remaining for drawing the second pair of complementary angles. So here it is 38 you need. Sorry, 28. 28 means it will come here. So let me draw. This is of 28 degree. 62 plus 28 coming 90 degree. So these two angles are complementary. complementary angles. Your question is to say whether they do not form a linear pair or not. Are they forming a linear pair? Not forming a linear pair. So they are complementary angles that do not form a linear pair. You can draw the combined figure also. See, here also you are getting, if the total is 90 degree, these are also two complementary angles that do not form a linear pair. Either two separate figures or two adjacent figures you are able to draw. Now question number 4, adjacent angles which are not in a linear pair. Adjacent angles, you are asked to draw adjacent angles. Are you able to draw the adjacent angles? Any two angles can be drawn as adjacent angles if there is a common ray. Only one condition is that there should be one common ray. That's all. So here let us see A, B, C, D. Consider angle ABD and angle DBC. Both the angles are having a common ray BD. So they are called as adjacent angles which are not in linear pair. See whether they are in a linear pair or not. What is the condition for linear pair? Their total should be 180 degree. Are they total forming 180 degree? No, because these two are not in a straight line. So they are adjacent angles but they are not in a linear pair. So this figure is also possible. So you can draw the figure and any angle you can have, any two adjacent angles you can draw. These are two adjacent angles but their total will not be 180 degree because the non-common rays are not forming a straight line. If they are forming a straight line only you will get 180 degree. You will get a linear pair. So they are adjacent angles but which are not in a linear pair. So any two adjacent angles you can draw. Okay. Question number 5. Angles which are neither complementary nor adjacent. Neither nor means they are not complementary angles, means their total is not 90 degree, not adjacent angles means they do not have a common ray. So how will you draw the figure? Any two angles, you can draw any two angles which are not adjacent. One angle is this and which are neither complementary means their total is not 90 degree. So these are the two angles, any two angles, any names you can give, ABC and PQR. They are not complementary angles because their total is not 90 degree. They are not adjacent because they do not have a common ray. So the figure can be drawn. Now question number 6. Angles in a linear pair. So if you draw a linear pair, the first condition is that non-common rays should form a straight line. So these are called linear pair of angles. Angles in a linear pair which are complementary. Do you think that what should be the sum of the measures of these two angles? These two total will be how many degree? 180 degree. So what are they called as? They are called supplementary angles. So are they complementary angles? No. So complementary angles means their sum should be how many? 90 degree. So we are not able to draw the figure with the given condition. A reason we can say linear pair of angles are not complementary. Linear pair of angles are not complementary angles because their sum is linear pair means the sum of the measures of the two angles should be 180 degree. Complementary angles will have total 90 degree. So linear pair of angles are not complementary angles. Okay, now I will show you how to make the adjacent angles with the given knowledge what you have done. Okay, this is a straw, this is an angle. So you can remember acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle. Remembering, if the measure of angle is less than 90 degree, that is called acute angle. If the measure is 90 degree, it is called right angle. And if it is more than 90 degree, it is called obtuse angle. Now, this is a single angle. These are called the arms of the angle or two sides of the angle, or we say rays. So this is one ray, this is another ray. If you add one more ray in this, look at this. This is a common ray for the remaining. Now see, there are two angles formed. This is one angle, this is another angle. So both the angles will have a common ray, or common arm. So these two angles are called adjacent angles. You can have, see, if the measure is small, one angle will have less angle and the other one will have more. That will do. See, if this measure, they are also adjacent angles. They are also adjacent angles. But if you extend, what are they called as? They are not only linear pair, they are also called as supplementary angles. See, these are two adjacent angles with a common ray. They are supplementary angles because non-common rays are forming a straight line. So they are adjacent as well as linear pair. Their total will be 180 degree. See, you can increase, increase. See, these type of angles are supplementary angles as well as linear pair of angles. Now only one is remaining, that is complementary angles. See, this yellow straw is in the form of a right angle. The middle one is a common ray, and the sum of the measures of these two will be how many? 90 degrees. So they are also called as complementary angles. You can also try at home. You can draw the different figures, adjacent angles, complementary angles, supplementary angles and the linear pair of angles, and you can solve exercise 19 in your notebook. Solve each question I have drawn on the board. Now you will try in your notebook. So take your scale, pencil and all, draw neatly and complete exercise 19. Okay, thank you.